Hey guys, Jordan here from Poppet Adventures. We're here touring Parramatta in Sydney, Australia. It's in Western Sydney. I'm here for the All Stars game and also Time Zone Parramatta. Had a great day. Found some Pokemon cards, so I'm stoked. Yes, I'm 31 and still play Pokemon. Please like, subscribe this channel. That'll be great if you can help out other vlogs. Also at Jordan's Jokes, not there, for funny, stupid, inappropriate humour. It's not for kids, so don't blame me if the kids watch it. So, as I said, I came here for the All Stars game, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to catch a ferry. So I caught the ferry here from Barangaroo. I also did a Barangaroo vlog. It's also up already. Check out my other channel at the Pinball Junkie 93. That's my pinball one. As I said, I did it one on Time Zone. Time Zone is an arcade chain here in Australia. They have pinball and prizes, air hockey galore, and lollies. So Parramatta is interesting because it's like the city. It's really becoming a CBD, and I think it already is. It's changed a lot since the first time I came here. So here's some facts about Parramatta. Pretty interesting, pretty cool. So it takes ages. Being a Manly fan, I'm from Sydney's Northern Beaches, but I do like it in Parramatta. I probably hate to say it, I prefer Penrith because I'm not into upmarket stuff. I'm just the average Aussie, not spoiled and not rotten. But yeah, Western Sydney University, that's also in Parramatta. Some cool stuff in Parramatta. Look at this nice soccer. Oh, it's futsal. It's not soccer. I think it's called futsal. So there's a lot of employment opportunities in Parramatta. There's a lot of food places. There's a light rail, as you can see, Parramatta Light Rail. True fact, opened on my birthday, which is pretty cool. Opened on the 20th of December 2024. So we're on our way to Combank Stadium. It's really lovely here. I love this river and all the built up gardens and all the council whatever they've done. I don't know. I'm not a landscape person. I'm not a gardener, so I don't know all the posh names. So you come underneath here, and this leads to the stadium. As you can see, there's the stadium, Combank Stadium. I'll be coming here in May to watch Manly play Parramatta. So hopefully we can win. Never won at Parramatta. I've been to soccer grand finals. I'm not into soccer and stuff. Just like to go do things. But yeah. So it's pretty cool. Heaps of stuff. Here's some more water. Saw some cool fish in there. So Combank Stadium, home to the Western Sydney Wanderers, FC, and Parramatta Eels. Thank you guys. I hope you have a good day. Here's some facts. Pretty cool. Like and subscribe. Take care.